we're going somewhere really cool. Get on path. What is up and welcome to the video. We're out on the Greenway again and I found this lovely little area before I even got to the point where I wanted to start shooting. And I saw something really cool. This right here, it's pathing itself out, which is kind of cool. Frogs. Anyway, so we're out here on the Greenway. It's been too long since we've had a ride, but we got a good one today because it's long and we're going somewhere really cool with a lot of animals and stuff like that. It's called the Wilderness Center. So we get on path. We gotta tighten these up. I should do it. Falling off the bike. We're officially getting on our route here. It's been a little bit of a ways to this point, and we are officially about 5 miles out from where we're going. We are about halfway through this trip, and I check my Great Cycle Challenge mileage tracker. I've done about 4.8 to 6 miles, somewhere in there. I don't know, because it didn't track except 0.06 of my ride. We are taking a break from our 0.06 miles doing something kind of dangerous. I don't know why, but I feel like just running across here. Found a dam I didn't know was here. Don't know why. Oh, I forgot my A6000 Sony camera at the house because I charged it last night. Left it right on my desk. Right there with all my gloves and new arm sleeves and all that stuff. Just left it. Gone. So, I guess they're doing some construction over here. Yeah, my app is completely, it says I've done 0.20 miles. I don't even know if it's worth continuing to track this trip because I lost about half of it. Yeah. They're building a Costco and they're just tearing up everything around the Greenway in this area. Like, this used to be really nice and beautiful over here, but not so much anymore. What I really need to do is just get on my bike one day and just start pedaling and see where I end up stopping. We made it to Barfield. I'm having more bike issues again today too. So we'll see at the top of this hill climb we're about to do. So we have made it to the Wilderness Center. And we're gonna see if we can film inside, because that was the whole point of coming up here. So let's find out. snakes are hiding.
Yeah, they usually get some place where it's warm.
They can go outside. So last time we were here, Wilderness Station was actually pretty amazing. There was a lot of stuff in there. It was really cool. It's gotten kind of bland. There was like 2 turtles, a trash panda, and like 3 snakes. And it used to be way more interesting than that. All right, well, we're out here on 231. As you can see, this is a busy road. Oh, this is gonna suck. Well, at least we know we can jump on this. Hell yeah. So one of the people we inspired got a bike today. That's awesome. We need to refill this bottle. So this is where it gets a tad complicated because we had to pull off our jugs here. And this water will be cold. Oh yeah, it's cold. And this jug will refill that 24-ounce bottle. Like, I think about 3.5 times. Let's get back to it. I need that sidewalk behind you, Silverado! Thank you, Silverado. There's no sidewalk! Okay, so this thing sucks. There's I-24 right there. You know what? We're going this way. We're gonna do this climb. Not only, we're gonna do it. We're doing it! You got this shit. I got this. It's a semi-truck lug nut spike. I need to be getting home. Starting to feel like I'm getting heat stroke. And I've had heat stroke before. It is no fun. Holy, it's no fun. Last thing I need is to black out while I'm riding the bike. So I gotta drink a little bit more water. For sure, I need to drink a lot more water. I have plenty. I need to quit babysitting it. Thank you. Good to see y'all again. Is that a broken sidewalk? Hold on. Holy. What the? That's not safe, Murfreesboro. Well, that could have been real bad. Now, I could talk to you guys, and it's been way too long since I've done a video. Done a lot to the bike though, if you haven't seen the video yet. I still got to get my camping stuff and all that's crap. But it's coming along. Losing weight, not smoking. I think we're at 20 days. I've got an app on my phone now to keep track of it so I don't have to, because I was driving myself nuts. But like I have a feeling I'm gonna have some heat stroke here in a minute, but I'm gonna push through it, drink some more water, and I'll let you know how it goes. Then we're probably on 21 days that we haven't smoked. Weight, I don't know, I didn't weigh myself, but it's been plateaued around 134, or sorry, 234 to about 236. I've been floating back and forth since the last update, but today's ride should take care of that. Get me down and break that plateau I've been on. So, other than that, really nothing else to report. I've been fighting with the depression a lot lately and the thoughts. So, I don't know. I can't really comment on that because it's not going as good as I'd like it to. We're just taking our time now. We're not in any hurry. We were trying to push it earlier, and that didn't work out too well for me. I'm exhausted. Trying to think if I'm gonna go this way down Northfield or turn up Greenland right now. Another mile. All right, so we're just getting along here. I'm exhausted. Absolutely. There is no down spot here. Holy crap. Okay. Well, when it calls for it, these tires can go off-road. Kind of stupid. Don't drink and drive, but here's a drive-through liquor store. Temptation. Come get some. Bye bye. We are almost home, and I, for one, could not be freaking happier. All right, well, if you made it this far, you made it to the end. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, bells, whistles, hula hoops, tutus, can openers, other things. I really appreciate you getting it this far in the video. Thank you so much. If you like to comment, please consider subscribing. More to come. Trying to get better at this whole thing. So until the next one, we'll see you later.